was begun in 1927 and took 14 years to complete.
Hey, Miss Guide, how come the presidents are crying?
Those aren't tears. They're stains from the rain runoff. That's why the men are dynamiting new channels.
Oh. Ruff, come back! Ruff, come back here! Come on, Ruff! We better get back to the store before... Hey, neat! I didn't know they had rides in this park.
I tell you, Alice, this is a day I'll never forget.
Please hurry with those binoculars, Henry. I want to look too.
Yikes! I don't think you want to see this.
See what? It's Dennis.
I told you wouldn't want to see it.
What's going on?
Whee! What a great swing!
Kid, what are you doing?
Pretty neat, huh?
That's amazing, Emily. I never knew Washington had a pimple on his nose.
Wow, pretty neat, huh, Ruff?
Hurry up, gotta rescue that kid before he hurts himself.
Uh-oh, that man doesn't look too happy. We'd better get out of here. Wow, this must be the cave ride. You want to go exploring?
What are you doing here?
Oh, hi, mister. We just dropped in.
I suppose you came to visit Mount Rushmore like the rest of them.
I guess so. Who are you?
Gabby Dynamite Duncan, the king of the dynamite sculptors. I helped to create Mount Rushmore.
Wow! What else did you work on?
Lots of things. But nobody ever recognized my work. They all thought it was done by Mother Nature.
Like what?
The Grand Canyon. I was trying to make a sculpture of the White House, but I guess I used too much dynamite.
What are you doing here, inside an ear?
I decided to add another face to old Rushmore.
Why don't you do Mr. Wilson's face?
Woodrow Wilson? Is he still president?
No, George Wilson. He's my best friend in the whole world.
Oh, a friend. That's the one thing I've never had.
Well, you got one now. And Ruff makes two.
Well, bless you.
They went in here.
Uh-oh, those men are looking for us.
They're looking for me, too. Quick, follow me. Just climb out that hole and you'll be safe.
Gee, mister, it's nice of you to help us out this way.
After all, what are friends for?
We made it, Ruff.
There's that kid. Let's get him.
Uh-oh. Let's head for that shed. Hang on, Ruff.
Dennis! Dennis!
Hi, Mom. Can we come back here tomorrow?
I still don't believe it. It's a miracle. One good thing, I'm sure we'll never see that kid's face around here again.
This ought to do it.